Did you know that China is the most visited country in Asia, attracting millions of tourists every year? A recent global survey ranked China as one of the top 10 countries people dream of exploring. With its mix of ancient history, breathtaking natural wonders, and cutting-edge cities, it's easy to see why. Let's take you on a journey to explore the 10 best places to visit in China, each one more fascinating than the last. Number 1. The Great Wall of China, a timeless marvel spanning over 13,000 miles. The Great Wall of China is more than just a wall. It's a symbol of endurance and ingenuity. If you're planning your visit, head to the Mutianyu section. It's less crowded and surrounded by lush greenery, making it a perfect spot for awe-inspiring views and amazing photos. Number 2. Zhangjiajie National Forest Park, the Avatar Mountains. Imagine stepping into a fantasy world. Zhangjiajie's towering sandstone pillars were the inspiration for the floating Hallelujah Mountains in Avatar. Whether you hike the trails, ride the glass bridge, or take a cable car to the top, this park is nothing short of magical. Number 3. Xi'an, the Terracotta Warriors. Buried for over 2,000 years, the Terracotta Army is one of the most significant archaeological discoveries of the 20th century. Located in Xi'an, these life-sized warriors were created to protect China's first emperor in the afterlife. Each statue is unique, making this site a true marvel of ancient craftsmanship. Number 4. Shanghai, a futuristic megacity. If you want to experience the future, Shanghai is the place to be. With its dazzling skyline, world-class dining, and vibrant art scene, this city perfectly blends the modern and the traditional. Don't miss the Bund for a stunning view of the city's past and future side by side. Number 5. Guilin and the Li River, a painter's dream. Guilin is the kind of place that feels like it was painted by an artist. The Li River winds through dramatic karst mountains, offering some of the most picturesque landscapes in the world. A boat ride here feels like stepping into a Chinese watercolor painting. Number 6. Chengdu, meet the giant pandas. If pandas are your spirit animal, then Chengdu is your dream destination. The Chengdu research base of giant panda breeding is the best place to see these adorable creatures in their natural habitat. Plus, Chengdu's spicy Sichuan cuisine is an adventure in itself. Number 7. The Forbidden City, China's imperial heart. Once the home of Chinese emperors, the Forbidden City in Beijing is a treasure trove of history and architecture. Walking through its massive gates and intricate halls feels like stepping back in time to the height of China's imperial era. Number 8. Hangzhou, West Lake's tranquility. Hangzhou's West Lake is a masterpiece of natural and human-made beauty. From the peaceful boat rides to the ancient pagodas and tea plantations, this place truly lives up to its nickname, Heaven on Earth. Number 9. Zhujiagu Valley, a hidden gem. Zhujiagu is one of China's most stunning natural wonders. Known for its crystal-clear lakes and cascading waterfalls, this UNESCO World Heritage Site looks like something out of a dream. The valley's vibrant colors change with the seasons, making it a year-round destination. Number 10. Lhasa, the roof of the world. Lhasa, the spiritual heart of Tibet, is a destination like no other. The Potala Palace stands as a symbol of Tibetan culture and resilience, offering stunning views and a deep sense of tranquility. China is a land of endless wonders, where every destination tells a story. From ancient treasures to natural spectacles, there's something here for everyone. Which of these incredible places would you visit first? The world is waiting. Happy exploring!